The core idea of a link state routing is Dijkstra's algorithm plus some extra. Let's say Goku has a company called Scions, and Scions has its own internal network. On the interfaces connected to the company network, OSPF is enabled. Here's an example network with routers and link costs. Now the company adds a new router. When a new router joins the network, it sends out hello messages to find its neighbors. They check that key settings match, like the area and authentication, and if they match, they form an adjacency. Adjacency is important because it allows the routers to synchronize their link state databases, or LSDBs. The LSDB is basically a collection of LSAs. An LSA includes things like who's advertising it, what links exist, the cost of those links, and version info like age and a sequence number. By synchronizing, the new router learns the existing topology by receiving the LS as it is missing. The new router also originates its own LSA, and that LSA is flooded to all routers in the same area. When routers receive new or changed LSAs, they update their LSDB, then run SPF, which uses Dijkstra to recompute best paths. I won't explain Dijkstra here because I already made a video about it, and I put link in description. After all this, each router updates its routing table, and this is how link state routing works. Thank you for watching.